Let's prepare dinner. This is very easy, quick to put together. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. Please do not make it the last time of visiting, okay? You will love it here. I have with me here my plantains and my potatoes, okay? Some other people will call their potatoes as yam. Do you get it? Yes, but this is potatoes and plantains. I'll just go ahead and wash them very well before we peel the skin. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I don't take it for granted. And please, after watching this video, do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Ezebede Mommy's Recipes. You will love it there as well. If you want short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and my YouTube shorts. You will love it there as well. Now that we are done washing it very well, I will just use my paper towel to wipe the water from it and then cut it into the sizes that I want, okay, after peeling the skin. So this is how you are going to peel it. The plantain is in the same family with banana, okay, because I know very well that some people do not know plantains, especially when you go to some countries, they don't have plantains there, okay? So this will be strange to you. It is just in the same family as bananas, but this tastes so good. And I mean, if you see it anywhere, you can buy it, okay? Plantains, not bananas. Now we are done. I have my oil on fire. I will just start frying this, then we are good to go. Have you liked the video? Please, if you haven't, can you please like the video, leave me a comment, and if you haven't followed yet or subscribed yet, can you do so for me? All these things I'm requesting from you, they don't take money, okay? It is free and I'll be very grateful if you do it for me. Now I have my potatoes here. I will just peel off the skin and then we are good to go after I am done. Okay, it is so good, so sweet, and oh my goodness, I just don't know how I'm going to describe this to you again. It is good, okay? Yes. So at this moment, when you are done peeling the skin, you cut them into the sizes that you want. You can use your chopping board, but trust me, I am used to this, okay? I think about 99% of every African lady is used to cutting it in her hand, okay, than the chopping board. Yeah, that is just by the way. So I'll go ahead and then peel the rest before we continue with this. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you once again, and I am very grateful, okay? I don't take it for granted. Now we have to check on our plantains, and trust me, they are really doing good, okay? It is ready and I'm going to remove it from the oil. Let it stay or rest on the paper towel, or you can just put it in your colander and then you are good to go. Just look at that, so delicious. Just pair this with some sauce or pepper sauce or grinded pepper. Oh my goodness, it is so good with some fried fish or any protein of your choice, either meat or seafood. You are good to go, but it goes very well with fried fish, okay? That is to me. Now I have cut the potatoes into the sizes that I want. I'm just going to add the salt to this. I washed it very well before adding the salt to it. You let it stay for about 3 minutes or maybe 2 minutes, then strain the water. After that, you just start frying, then you are good to go. So that is what I am doing here. Thank you once again for spending almost 5 minutes of your time. I am grateful, okay? So I'm just reminding you again, if you haven't subscribed or followed, please do so for me. They don't take money, and please do not forget to like the video, share to others, and I will be very grateful. Now, after some few minutes, I will just go ahead and turn it, and then we'll wait for some few minutes. Then we are good to go. Now our potatoes are ready. The inside is very soft and the outside is very crunchy and delicious. Okay, sometimes when you prepare it, it becomes soft as well, and sometimes I do get it very crunchy. On this day, the outside was very crunchy and the inside was very soft. So just be mindful of the fire. Okay, it shouldn't be very high. Okay, and you will get perfect outcome. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Do not forget to love yourself first, and do not forget to be in your lane. Okay, see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.